डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब ह्या सिजनात आय लीग सर्त जिखून ही ट्रॉफी 5वे फावट जिखपी भारतांतलो पयलोच क्लब जातलो असो विश्वास तांचो फॉरवर्ड रेंटी मार्टिन्सान उक्तायला. डेम्पो सध्या 4 फावट राष्ट्रीय आय लीग जिखला आनी गोंयचो हो क्लब भारतांतलो सगळ्यात यशस्वी क्लब थारला. रेंटीन पोरू भशेन अंदूय गोलांचो पावस घालून डेम्पोक सर्तीन पयली सुवातेर रावपाक मोठो आदार केला.
You have been once again scoring goals this season for Dempo and nothing to beat those 2 goals against Shillong Lajong towards the end. Could you describe how your season has been thus far?
Yeah, it's been fabulous. It's been a great show from the beginning of the season. It's a great feeling, when you score goals and team is doing well. It's very much important. I mean, all the credit goes to the team. All together, we're working together, and what we want is really coming. But at times things doesn't go the way you want. But we try to come together when things go wrong and try to make amend of it. And here we are. We are still on top.
Initially of the season when Coco came, you were not starting together. You were starting more with another striker. Now we see Coco starting with you. Has your coordination set with Coco because you all are looking good up front together?
Yeah, still some things to make amend with, but it's grabbing it gradually, and things are coming in shape. I hope it continues. And we go all the way to try and win the league. Which is very important for the club, and I believe for now it's okay.
This season we see the I-League is a very tight league. 9 clubs are separated by just 3 or 4 points. What do you make as a player who's played in India for quite some time now? What do you make of this season's I-League? One of the most interesting I-Leagues for you of all of them?
Yeah, I think it's one of the most interesting league. It's been very tough. Small team comes to, get a victory on a bigger club. Which is quite unusual. But that's how the league is getting now. It's getting tougher. And it's something good. And we hope we try to hold on to our lead, and try to continue and be on top to the end of the season.
You think you can win the league this season 5 times now?
Yeah, of course we are looking up to that. We already have 4 record time, and we are trying our best to go on 5th. Which will be very good for Dempo and for me as well.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचें हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.